The decentralized blockchain called Solana was created to support globally usable, scalable apps. In 2020, Solana was introduced to high anticipation. It was created to address the issues with other blockchains' limited scalability caused by high prices and sluggish transaction times. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy more videos. When compared to other blockchains, Solana could handle 50,000, 65,000 transactions per second, TPS, while they could only manage 15 TPS. Solana coupled the underlying proof of stake with the proof of history, POH, consensus to accomplish this, POS. Solana became one of the biggest and most popular networks because to its scalability. It made it possible for decentralized apps to be deployed more quickly and effectively, dApps. Its native cryptocurrency, SOL, is employed for staking and transaction fee payment. Creators will soon be able to mint and sell their NFTs on and off of Meta's Instagram, according to the company's announcement. It has ambitions to increase the use cases for non-fungible tokens, which include doing this. Solana will be one of the initial projects to be integrated, according to the announcement. Solana disclosed that Google Cloud was using a Solana validator on November 5. Only a few days prior, Google Cloud had announced that it will sell a product dubbed the Blockchain Node Engine. To add the Blockchain Node Engine to the Solana chain, Google will collaborate with Solana. By 2023, Google plans to have a one-click to run a Solana node in a cost-effective method, according to the statement. Amir Halim, the creator of the wireless hotspot network Helium, has reiterated his former position to forego the network and expand on Solana after over 2 months of its HIP 70 governance plan, tweeted Amir. The Solana Foundation also disclosed that QUIC would be used as the foundation for a new implementation of its transaction ingestion mechanism. This protocol was created by Google and released on the mainnet beta. The iconic FTX crash has had an impact on Solana, with its token losing more than 50% in 3 days. The co-founder of Solana declared that the SOL unlock has been delayed in order to lessen the impact of its exposure to FTX. On November 10, at the end of Epoch 370, 28.5 million SOL from 250 accounts, or 5.4% of Solana's entire supply, were supposed to be released. The Solana Foundation possessed the tokens as part of its treasury, hence the unlock has now been restaked. Before we move further, hit that subscribe button and enter into our YouTube family. The QUIC, which Solana launched and is intended for quick asynchronous communication, is not the default. In the 1.13.4 release, Solana claims that QUIC will be the standard transaction intake and forwarding protocol on mainnet beta. Solana lost more than 50% in the first 3 days of the tragedy, making it one of the greatest losers in the market fall caused by the FTX and Alameda Research liquidity crisis, which held SOL on its books. SOL, however, was one of the greatest gainers when cryptocurrencies rallied, rising by more than 45% on November 9. From a low of $12.51, the price of SOL rose thanks to the rise to $18.60. Solana is currently trading at $16.57, down 93% from its all-time high of $260 in November 2021. Solana's market valuation has decreased from $13.2 billion to $6 billion in the past week, placing it as the 12th largest cryptocurrency. Network problems have plagued Solana all year. To escape danger, it is creating the Jump Firedancer. The Firedancer validator will give Solana the same dependability as Ethereum, said the co-founder of Solana. Yakovenko thinks that by serving as a second client on the network, Jump Firedancer will increase network stability. By the end of the year, Solana should be free of its outage issues, he continues. The date when Solana will switch from mainnet beta to its mainnet network was also updated by him. Yakovenko asserts that Solana will exit the beta when regional fee markets can accommodate NFT mints alongside DeFi transactions. Solana has had a remarkable run over the last 2 years, growing to become one of the altcoins with the fastest growth. Now, In 2022, we can see how they are accomplishing what many tokens are unable to do and never will be able to do. Few people fall into the same category as Solana, so let's examine what has received attention so far and what might be on the horizon. A concise overview of Solana and its ascent during 2021. To give it its full name, the Solana platform is a public blockchain. The mechanism known as proof of stake is used in order to reach consensus. It uses the ticker symbol SOL for its internal cryptocurrency. A journalist for Bloomberg named Joanna Ossinger wrote an article in 2021 in which she referred to Solana as a potential long-term rival for Ethereum. She did so by citing Solana's faster transaction speeds and lower associated costs. Many early investors in Solana, $SOL, saw gains of up to 45,000% in 2021, which helped propel the cryptocurrency into the top 10 list of cryptocurrencies. The previous year was a pretty good year for Solana, $SOL. The year was very successful for alternative cryptocurrencies, and Solana was no exception. The project utilizes a one-of-a-kind blockchain that combines the proof of stake and proof of history verification methods. Because of this, transactions are processed in the order in which they were received, which results in very rapid and very inexpensive transactions. Solana also garnered headlines with Visa, which is gearing up to introduce their new fast-track program. ZBEC is the first Solana-based project to be accepted to the Visa program, which has supported companies such as Stripe, Chime, and Crypto.com, according to a press release that was issued in recent months. In response to the announcement, here is what Sam Thapalia, founder and chief executive officer of ZBEC Protocol, had to say. By enrolling in Visa's Fast Track program, innovative financial technology companies like ZBEC Protocol gain access to Visa's experts, technology, and resources in a way that has never been possible before. ZBEC is entirely reinventing every single financial transaction, from salaries to investments to subscriptions to incentives and beyond, and making them programmable and continuous as part of this process. It gives us great pleasure to announce our partnership with Visa, which will hasten the rollout of our cutting-edge payment solutions to millions of customers all over the world. The positives and the negatives. Many investors are eager to see what Solana brings to the table because recent studies show that a survey of 30 random crypto token holders found that 10 held Solana's token over bigger coins. This has caused a lot of excitement among investors. In spite of significant price increases throughout 2021 for many of the most well-known altcoins, 2022 has been a challenging year for the most of, if not all of, the most successful altcoins on the market. Recent market action for SOL has not been favorable to bulls. From its recent high of approximately $205, the price of SOL has fallen about 30% over the course of the past 9 trading days. Having said all of that, the amount of selling pressure that was there at the highs was negligible in comparison to the amount of purchasing pressure that was present at the lows, and this is a positive indicator for the not-too-distant future. So this was all about Solana. Do share your feedback with us in the comments, and get subscribed to our channel to watch more of us. Thanks for watching.